Welcome fitness fellas to the QDTV Gain project. It's request time again. Today's video is about nutrition timing. The best and fastest way to lose fat is to do fasting for as many hours as possible. Now what does that mean? Our body can burn fat permanently if our insulin level is low. The best way to keep it low is to try to eat your carbs in one meal. I prefer to eat all my carbs in the evening because that is the most effective method in my opinion. Why is that the case? If you eat carbs in the morning, it can be the case that you get hungry a few hours later again, because your insulin level rises by eating carbs and crashes a few hours later. After that crash, our body sends out signals that it is time to eat again, and you might have to fight hunger for the rest of the day. Eating your carbs in the evening ensures that you go to bed without being hungry. Try to eat most of your protein and your fats in the morning and throughout the day, and save your carbs for the evening to make sure your insulin level is low for most of the day. Be sure to eat as less fat as possible in combination with carbs in the evening to make sure that your body is about done with digesting before you go to sleep. The best time to go to bed after your meal in the evening is about 2 to 4 hours afterwards. For the ones of you that aren't vegan, there is one very important tip to consider. Don't eat meat or protein powder out of milk for breakfast. Studies show that eating meat and milk causes the insulin level to rise. So that would have the same effect than eating a banana, for instance. Save these foods for your meal in the evening and you can benefit from low insulin levels the whole day. So there you have it. If you have any further questions, let me know in the comments below. Until then, see you in the next video, fitness fellas.